Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these delicious baby back ribs. For our dry rub, we're going to be using smoked paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, and some brown sugar, your favorite barbecue sauce, and of course some baby back ribs. This is about 3 pounds. A little above 3 pounds. We're gonna start by making our dry rub. We're gonna add half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now you're just gonna wanna mix it up. Make sure you break down the brown sugar and just evenly mix it. Once you got your dry rub, just put it to the side. After you rinse your ribs, we're gonna wanna take off this membrane off. By doing so, you could just grab some gloves or with your bare hands. And there's gonna be this thin film right here. It's easier to pull it with a paper towel. So you're just gonna squeeze it. There it is right there. And you're gonna wanna just pull it straight across from the entire rib. You're just gonna wanna pull it off. You're gonna wanna cut in between each bone. So like right here. Once you cut all your ribs, we're just gonna coat them with the dry rub. You just wanna place them here. Just put a little pressure. And then just place them on your baking pan. We're gonna do this to all the ribs. Once your ribs are on your baking pan, we're gonna put aluminum foil. Now you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your oven has preheated, you're gonna wanna put your ribs. Now you're gonna wanna cook these for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once your ribs are done, you wanna be careful and take them out of the oven. Now, if you don't have a baking rack, you're gonna wanna dump the juices that's left in the pan, and then you're gonna wanna brush them with some barbecue sauce. But since I have a baking rack, I'm just gonna put them on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on the rack. So now I'm gonna lift it. Just put it on top. Now we're just gonna brush both sides with barbecue sauce. And in case you guys are wondering where I got this baking pan, I got it at IKEA. And once you brush your barbecue sauce on one side, you're just gonna flip them and brush the other side. Now you're gonna wanna put your temp at broil. Now once your oven's ready, we're gonna place them in the oven one last time. Be careful though, because it's hot. And we're gonna cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just make sure you keep an eye on it so that they don't burn. Now after about 3 to 5 minutes, you're gonna wanna take them out and flip them one last time. And while you're broiling them, you could always brush them with a little more barbecue sauce if you want. I'm only gonna brush a little bit on the sides that need it, but they're pretty good like that. And then back in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. And again, just keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. Now we're gonna take them out of the oven. Just be careful. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make baby back ribs. If you want them to be more tender, instead of cooking them for 1:30, you could cook them for 2 hours. But I like them like this. But anyways, I hope this video helped you out. I'm gonna have all the ingredients down in the description box below. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want more cooking videos. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one.